Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks gameplay review of Call of Duty Mobile on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. We have already unboxed the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and we're going to be playing Call of Duty Mobile on the device using the Ornaharto case. We also unboxed and provided some first impressions of on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. What I'm going to do is play a round of a random game on the Tunisia map, the new map for Call of Duty Mobile, and we're going to see how the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S works in the default settings for the device. Specifically, this will be medium settings. So this is a game called Domination we're going to be playing on the new Tunisia map. Let's see how badly I do. I'm terrible at this game. And I'm still leveling up the current SMG or small submachine gun that I'm going to be using in this round.
Capture the objectives.
So as you can see, this is called Domination. You have to capture objectives, and the more objectives you have, the higher your score.
Alpha. We're capturing C. Enemy taking Bravo. We captured C. Enemy has Alpha. Enemy has B. Enemy inside. We're capturing B. Lost the lead. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Captured Bravo. Losing C. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Reloading. Cover me. We lost C.
Now I'm concentrating. This is a tough game.
We're capturing A. Losing B. We captured Alpha. Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed. We lost Bravo. Enemy in sight. Stealth chopper on standby. Losing Alpha. Stealth chopper inbound. We're being dominated. Take those positions. We lost A. We're capturing Bravo. We're capturing C. Bring it up, squad. We captured Charlie. We're capturing B. Be advised. Hostile Predator missile inbound. We captured B.
Ouch! That was painful.
We captured Bravo. Losing Bravo. We're capturing Alpha. All positions locked down. Hold your positions. We captured A. Losing Charlie. Losing B. We lost Charlie. Targets in sight! We lost B. Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Relatively close rounds that we lost, but still time to come back.
Capture the objectives.
This is a very complex map with lots of nooks and crannies.
We're capturing. Enemy taking C. We're capturing Bravo. Hunter-killer drone on standby. We captured Alpha. Enemy has Charlie. We captured B. We lost the lead. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Losing A. Changing mag. Cover me. We're capturing C. We lost Alpha. Losing Bravo. We captured C. Sentry gun ready to deploy. We lost Bravo. Enemy contact! Stealth chopper awaiting orders. We're capturing B. Predator missile inbound. We captured Bravo. Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
That's the end of the game. So as you can see, even in relatively tough conditions in terms of rendering the map, the game, the Xiaomi Redmi 9S does a really good job. The screen is nice and big. The slightly bigger screen makes the controlling of the game a lot better. Overall performance is excellent. Even though I'm on medium settings, the graphics are really, really good. But what really stands out is how punchy the colours are. Obviously, in this video, it's very difficult to describe how punchy the colours are, but the Tunisia map is a very good example of how good the screen is for this sort of thing. And overall, the performance is excellent. Unlike the Nokia 5.3, which we have another gameplay video of the same game on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, unlike the Nokia 5.3, there's no overheating on the left-hand side of the screen. So on the left-hand side of the back where the main chipset and graphics card are, it doesn't feel as warm. And overall, I'd say obviously the Redmi Note 9S is a much more powerful smartphone and does a much better job. The device also has a higher resolution screen. It's a Full HD Plus screen, and I have no complaints. It's a really good screen. I don't think there's really much advantage at having a higher resolution screen. But overall, really impressive. Well done to Xiaomi for having a great device, but also to the developers of Call of Duty Mobile on making such a really good performing game, which even runs on relatively affordable smartphones under that magic $250 or $200 price. For now, thank you for watching my terrible performance in Call of Duty Mobile. If you have any comments or would like to leave us any feedback or have any questions, just leave a comment under this video. If you like this video, give us a like. And as I said at the beginning, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But from me, thank you for watching and goodbye for now.